Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at a Tundra 2024 pickup truck, and we have a cigarette lighter up here that is not getting any power, so we're trying to find out where that fuse is at. The manual doesn't really tell us a whole lot, but we know we checked underneath here. It is not in there. Then there's another fuse box right up here on the right hand side. Then there's another fuse box over here on the left. None of those fuse boxes are the fuse for this cigarette lighter, which blows my mind that you got all these spots where these can be and where they're normally located. So actually there's a third spot, so it's not going to be in the engine bay over on that side or on this side, because there's fuse boxes on either side. It's actually located underneath the passenger side dash. So you're going to have to remove this cover, which is underneath here, and if you remove that cover, and I got a flashlight here, you can see there's a whole bunch of fuses here. One of these fuses is for that cigarette lighter, and I'm gonna show you which one today. Now the cigarette lighter we're talking about is the one that's right up here on the top here on the dash, and that's the one that's blown. So what we're looking for is actually a micro size fuse. So you got the kind of like the regular size, and you got like the minis. You're gonna actually want a micro. There are these tiny little fuses, so you're gonna want something like that. It's a 25 amp rating, so we're gonna grab a 25 because we believe it's a 25. So we're gonna check it here in a moment. It might be a 20, and we're gonna go underneath the dash here and find that correct one. All right, so we pulled the fuse out. It was actually a 20 amp fuse, so we got our 20 here, and we're gonna go underneath here again. You're gonna see right over here on the side, it's the third one down, where it's empty right here. That's where that bad fuse was at, and that's where your cigarette lighter is at. So we're gonna pop that into place, and it's nice and snug. And you just heard some clicking going on because that's my AC to DC converter. So I have an outlet in here, and we're all set, you guys. So that's where your fuse is at for your cigarette lighter on top of your dash for a Tundra 2024. Hope this video was helpful, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.